Good morning to our students. I am going to tell about department as fundamental units of administration. Contents, introduction, the finance principle, the process principle, the client or commodity principle, geographical principle, conclusion. Introduction. Departments are the fundamental unit of administrative organizations and carry out all. There are different shortcomings and problems associated with this structure. Well, but before we delve in that, we shall make an attempt to understand the basic principle on which the organization of department is based. The finance principle. When the administrative business is organized on the basis of the nature of function, the purpose of the work, then it is known as the financial principle. An example is the credit Department of Commerce to regulate the trade and commerce with the country. The process principle. When the organization of business is done on the basis of the process of the nature of activity, this principle is also called the proportional principle, basically the business. Transactions are carried out based on the target proportion like the law department, health department for legal and medical activity of the government. Clientele or commodity principle. In this case, the business of an organization is based on the set of people for whom its services are meet for all its clients. For example, the Department of Scheduled Caste and Trips. Geographical principle. As the name suggests, it has the geographical area as its basis to determine organization of business. The above mentioned principles are not the sole criteria for the basis of organization. Aspects like traditions and history also play a role generally. The governments look at a past combination of one or more principle and consideration to pass the departments on. Conclusion. Since public administration is ultimately responsible to the public, it has always to keep the people informed about the it is his responsibility to defend the administration. When there is conflict between administration and he maintains relations with the process, various interested groups, voters. Thank you.